Hello fellas, welcome to yet another unboxing video on Wisely Indian. This time we are going to unbox and review Realme Buds 2. It comes in this type of white premium box with Realme branding at the top, picture of the earphones in the middle, and at the bottom it says Realme Buds 2, feel the real bass. On both sides of the box, Realme branding is done. On backside of the box, manufacturing details and some specifications are given. It says 11.2 mm bass boost driver, built-in magnets, dual anti-twinning cable, cable organizer. Here on the box they mention price 799 rupees, but I purchased it from Amazon for 599 rupees. Okay, so now let's quickly open and check its quality. Inside we have earphones, ear tips and user manual. In this pouch we get 4 ear tips and 2 ear tips are installed on the earphones. So total 6 ear tips we get. Ear tips are soft and has yellow inside portion. This is user guide. This earphones comes with 6 months warranty. Warranty clauses are specified in this user manual. So while purchasing, do get invoice bill from the seller. Moving on to the earphones. It has basic steel jack with plastic housing. Contrasting yellow cable organizer is provided here. It has Realme branding and 3 holes for tying. Here we have 3 multifunctional buttons. They can be used as volume rockers, to receive calls, and also long press can activate voice assistance. These earbuds have magnetic back which hold them together. This design of earphones are better than last Realme earbuds. It has plastic body with Realme's R logo embossed on it. I personally love this black and yellow color combination. It somewhat resembles honeybee theme. This cable which connect to the earphones are simple plastic cable. And this one which connect to the jack is braided cable. This cable is of good quality and looks durable. Speaking about bass, this earphone's bass is best in this price segment. Bass is much improved than last Realme earbuds. One thing to complain here is, these earphones might fall from the ears while doing any physical work. That's the only downside I found in these earphones. Rest all are on point. For the price of Rs 600, these earphones are value for money. Do let me know which one you are using. Hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. I will be back with the new video. Till then, wear mask and stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.